Look at that. Flash flood warning for Freeport. Okay, come on. Dude.
There it goes.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.
Didn't like that.
The National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for northern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 2:30 a.m. Monday. At 8:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Leonard, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Ladot, Massac, Shiloh, Buena Vista, and Lorne. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is Noaa Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in a listening area.